Hey, this is Nafiol. So in this video I'm going to share my thoughts about Rytr, and I'm going to show you step-by-step tutorial how you can actually use Rytr for writing your better content with AI. Okay? So you will get the link in the description below to sign up Rytr, and what you can do with Rytr, you will get a list here from their website. Like, they have 30 plus use cases and automatically generate high quality content for blog idea, business idea page, copywriting framework, idea, email. You can create different platform ads like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. You can create landing page content. You can reply to reviews or messages. You can create SEO meta title, text editing, and so on. So you can actually play with it, how you can create your own content with Rytr, and I'm going to show you how to actually use it. Okay, so let me click on Start Rytr. In that case, I'm going to continue with my Google account. So it's the easiest way to log in Rytr. So if you don't want to use your Google account, that's fine. You can just click on email address, then you can create a new account with Rytr. Okay, so I just selected the easiest way to sign up here. Okay, so as you can see, I don't need to use a credit card or whatever, as because it's a free plan I'm using, and if you want to use a paid plan, you can do it as well. So let's go and check their pricing. So if I click on pricing, you can see they have 3 plans. The first one is free. You will able to generate 5,000 characters per month for free, and access 30 plus use cases, write in 30 different languages, access 20 plus tones, a built-in plagiarism checker. So you can actually check the plagiarism whenever you are writing AI content. That's also built in with Rytr. Access to premium community, so you can access the community as well for Rytr. That's also free. And for the saver plan, you will have the option for 50k character per month, access 30 plus use cases, and those things are pretty similar, just you are having the option for 50k characters, and they are just charging $9 a month. That's very cheap for AI content writing factories. So if I go to their dashboard, then you will have this kind of options. First of all, there is a history option. So whenever you are writing on your content, then all this content will be saved inside the history. So then we have the account options. So inside the account, as you can see, my plan is free. So if you want, you can actually activate premium plan whenever you need actually. Okay, so then we have stats. So that's analytics type of things. Then we have team members. So if you want to add a team member, you can create team and add team members. Then we have the profile. So I haven't created a profile yet, because as you saw that I have logged in with my Gmail account. And then we have settings. So inside settings, you have there your email address, your name, and some other app settings. Custom use cases is premium, so whenever you need this, you need to move to a paid plan. Then you have reward option, you have affiliations, you have APIs. Those things you don't need to worry about. So let's go to the Rytr again. So from here, you need to select your language. So let's say this is English, and what kind of content I need to write. Let's say casual content I want to write, or I can say informative content I want to write. Then what I want to write, let's say I want to write a blog idea or outline. So let's say best what I want to write. So That's the best email marketing software. Number of variant, let's say 3 variant I want to check. Then I'm going to select credible level medium. You can select high or low. Well, so they have generated a heading and the outlines, the introduction. What is email marketing, how you can get started with email marketing, email campaign planning and design. Then we have 4 basic type of email that every marketer should send. Okay, so those are the point that you can actually write. So as because it's not a blog content writing tools, it's just a blog idea and outline tools that we are using. Okay, so that's the blog outlines and the title. So we have selected 3 variants, so they have created 3 variants. Okay, so whatever you like, you can use it for your work. You have lots of options here, as you can see. Let's say I want to write a video description, video title, how you can write content with AI tools, so as you can see, here is a content for the video descriptions. So there are 2 content generated as there are 2 number of variations selected. Okay, and you can try different things as you need. So that's pretty simple things that you can do it yourself. So it's in this video I just shown you how you can use it and how you can make this things workable for you. Also you can add content here or edit all those things as well, and that's all. So if you have any other questions, you can comment in the description, you can comment in the comment box. And to sign up Rytr, you can check my link in the description below. So that's all for today. See you in the next one. Bye.